The best way is really on what people use their LinkedIn for different things. And so if you are looking to use LinkedIn to, land a job, that's great. But even what's more wonderful and what recruiters, I think, are usually looking for is they're looking for the thought leader, right? They're looking for the person who's going to change their field, the person who's going to drive results beyond the job description. So what can you do to really improve your LinkedIn? I would say, one, look at all of at the very basic level, look at all of the kind of things that your role is looking for. Again, if you're being a software engineer, you're trying to become a financial analyst, what are the skills that are necessary? Fill those out so the keywords are there so recruiters will be looking for you. That's one important thing. But two, make it look beautiful, right? Like add photos of you talking at events, have people help you take photos of, you talking at events, projects that you've worked on to show, the quality of your work. And then of course, three, one thing that people really don't do is actually share research. It doesn't have to be from your company, but it could just be anybody on that topic to your network. And it doesn't have to be a big one, but recruiters can see that, right? And if you're even able to start writing, even just your reflections on maybe research that comes out, that really will differentiate you because recruiters are keen on learning more about people. And in this day and age, we do a lot of internet stalking. We want to know what you've done outside of your work. What have you done for your company? And so that's probably what I would say. And, I help people with that. And if that's something that you're looking to do, you're excited to write, even if you don't have the writing skill, it can be taught. I'm more than happy to help.